this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Apex Legends easy anti-cheat error. Now usually this error for some reason happens on the Steam client a lot more, so the way that you can fix it is by trying to install it from the EA app. So just Google EA Apex Legends and download it from there. Now if you're already using the EA and you get the problem, then try and install the Steam version and see if that works. So just try and use the version that you haven't tried and see if that fixes the option. Now another option could be that you're using Windows 11 and for some reason that causes issues. So what you can do is you can search for system down here and go to recovery in the system here on your Windows 11, and you should have an option to go back to Windows 10 if you want to. Now keep in mind, this is not 100% sure that going to Windows 10 will work, but for many people going back will help fix issues like that. But like I said, first you should try and use the EA launcher if you're using Steam, or if you're using EA launcher, try and use Steam. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.